Did you know a U.S. president's funeral was interrupted by a swearing parrot? When Andrew Jackson died in 1845, friends and family gathered to mourn him. But his pet parrot, Paul, had other plans. Right in the middle of the funeral, the bird started shouting loud profanities. Not just random noises, actual swear words. The chaos got so bad, they had to remove the parrot from the house just to continue the service. Legend says Paul learned all those words directly from Jackson himself, who was known for his fiery temper. So yes, even at his funeral, Andrew Jackson was still causing a scene through his parrot. History's wild.